Hello, thanks for stopping by. What is the difference between motivation and manipulation? External motivation can only be achieved by either speaking to people's fears or desires. As an example, John, if you make another mistake, you are fired. It's true, some managers or supervisors still speak this way to their employees. This would be a lame attempt to motivate a person by speaking to their fears. Another example that would speak to a person's desire could be, Mike, if you reach the target for the next 6 months, you will receive a raise. External motivation comes from the industrial age, is often referred to as the carrot and stick method, and it is long outdated. It's short-term and rarely leads to lasting results. Manipulation is often used when someone wants you to do something that is good for them but doesn't benefit you. In other words, there are managers who attack your mental and emotional side in order to get what they want. Here's the shortest way to explain it to you. Manipulation is when they focus on how you reacted instead of how they treated you. Be aware. The best way is to discover self-motivation within yourself and help others to discover theirs. This means having goals and enough self-awareness to understand what works for you and what doesn't. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.